Hello, today let's talk about the display in your tachometer of your BMW Mini Cooper. Yeah, there it is. The display in front of you. Press first step, switch ignition to on. This is important, and as you can see, there the display in front of you. Press the button in the turn indicator lever repeatedly to call up various items of information. In this time, you can see the current fuel consumption is switched, and on the top side there is a clock and the outer temperature. Choose. Oh yeah. On the left side, you can see the range of your car. On the right side, the cruising range. And you can reset this by pushing the button on the right side with the O.O button. Now you can see the average fuel consumption. Oh yeah. Calculated for the time the engine has been running. To reset average fuel consumption, press the button in the turn indicator lever for approx 2 seconds. And if you reset this measuring, then there will be get a new average fuel consumption for the next 100 kilometers or miles if you set it. The next setup is average speed. Periods with a vehicle parked and the engine switched off are not included in the calculation of average speed. That means to reset the average speed, you can press the button in the turn indicator lever for approximately 2 seconds, and then it goes to 0 again and it calculates new. Next, you can see the current vehicle speed. To have the current speed shown in the rapid display for the outside temperature and time, press and hold the button in the turn indicator lever until the display changes. The outside temperature then appears in the bottom display of the computer. And the next thing is, if you are driving rooftop open, this will get you information about this. How many times, how long did you driven without the roof closed. On the left side it's a total, on the right side it is a trip value for this, but this is only in case if you're driven a convertible, okay? Only convertible. This is exclusive for this vehicle type. The certain settings and informations are only available when the ignition is switched on and the vehicle is at a standstill. Ever come for selecting display, setting values, confirming selected displays or set values, calling up computer information, calling up check control, displaying vehicle check, initializing flat tire monitor, and setting formats and units of measure, resetting to factory settings. And these are all your options with the computer. Everything is under control by you. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And see you next time. Soon.